What if you spend just 30 seconds on the moon without a spacesuit? What happens if you're on the moon without a spacesuit? The moon is Earth's only natural satellite visited by humans. In July 1969, Apollo 11 made history when it landed on the lunar surface, with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin becoming the first men to walk on it. They spent about 2.5 hours exploring. However, preparing for their mission took years, and their equipment weighed over 80 kilograms, around 176 pounds. But what if you suddenly found yourself on the moon without protective gear or a spacesuit? Could you survive even for 30 seconds? Before diving into that, do you know how many people have actually set foot on the moon? Keep reading to find out. Imagine standing on the moon's dusty surface, with a black sky filled with stars overhead. Unfortunately, you wouldn't have time to admire the view. The moon lacks a breathable atmosphere. Its atmospheric density is minuscule, roughly equivalent to the density found at the very edge of Earth's atmosphere, where the International Space Station orbits. But you wouldn't die instantly. You'd have about 15 seconds of consciousness as your body uses up the oxygen already in your bloodstream. After that, hypoxia, or lack of oxygen, would cause you to pass out. The moon's atmosphere is nearly non-existent, meaning the pressure there is incredibly low. On Earth, air pressure is balanced inside and outside our bodies, but on the moon, nitrogen dissolved in your blood would form bubbles, causing your body to swell, starting with your limbs. However, your skin's elasticity would prevent you from bursting. Holding your breath isn't an option. It could cause your lungs to rupture due to the pressure difference. Instead, you should exhale to minimize damage. In the moon's vacuum, water boils at low temperatures. This means that saliva on your tongue would start to boil, and the liquid in exposed areas like your eyes could evaporate. Thankfully, your blood wouldn't boil since your blood vessels would protect it. Temperatures on the moon vary drastically. During the day, the surface heats up to 127 degrees Celsius, while at night, it can plummet to minus 173 degrees Celsius. However, heat transfer in space occurs slowly through radiation, and the moon's surface doesn't conduct heat well. So, in 30 seconds, you wouldn't freeze or overheat. The lack of an ozone layer or a strong magnetic field means you'd be exposed to harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Over time, this could lead to severe health issues. However, in just 30 seconds, you wouldn't absorb enough radiation to be fatal, unless there's a solar flare, which could deliver a lethal dose instantly. Moon dust, or regolith, is incredibly sharp and abrasive. Without protection, it could damage your lungs, irritate your eyes, and cause sinus problems. So, your 30 seconds on the moon are over. While the experience would be extremely uncomfortable, you might survive if rescued quickly. Beyond 90 seconds, irreversible brain damage from oxygen deprivation becomes likely. Between 1969 and 1972, during NASA's Apollo program, 12 astronauts landed on the moon across 6 missions. The longest moonwalk lasted 7 hours and 36 minutes during Apollo 17. Fun fact, astronaut Alan Shepard even played golf on the moon. As NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, walking on the moon may soon become more than just a dream. With advancements like lighter, more protective spacesuits, future lunar exploration promises to be even more fascinating. Stay tuned for the next giant leap. The history of lunar exploration dates back to the early 20th century. The Soviet Union's Lunar program was the first to reach the moon with unmanned spacecraft in the late 1950s. The United States followed with the Apollo program, which successfully landed humans on the moon in 1969. Since then, various countries have launched missions to study the moon, including China, India, and Japan. These missions have provided valuable insights into the moon's composition, geology, and potential for future exploration. As we look to the future, international collaboration and technological advancements promise to unlock even more secrets of our celestial neighbor. The moon remains a beacon of human curiosity and ambition, guiding us to new horizons and deeper understanding. The future of lunar exploration looks promising, with several planned missions by space agencies and private companies. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence. The European Space Agency, ESA, is also planning lunar missions, focusing on scientific research and technology development. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are working on developing lunar landers and habitats. These efforts will pave the way for future lunar colonies and potential missions to Mars. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in space exploration, the moon once again captures our imagination and ambition. With international collaboration and cutting-edge technology, the dream of living and working on the moon is becoming a reality. The next giant leap for mankind is closer than ever, and it all begins with our return to the moon. So, as we look up at the night sky and see that familiar silvery orb, let us remember that the moon is not just a destination, but a stepping stone to the stars. Lunar missions have led to numerous scientific discoveries. The analysis of lunar rocks and soil has revealed the moon's geological history and its similarities to Earth. The discovery of water ice in permanently shadowed craters has significant implications for future lunar exploration and potential colonization. Studies of the moon's surface have provided insights into the impact history of the solar system. Additionally, the moon's lack of atmosphere makes it an ideal location for astronomical observations, offering a unique perspective on the universe. These scientific breakthroughs not only enhance our understanding of the moon, but also help us learn more about our own planet and the broader cosmos. Each mission uncovers new data, fueling our curiosity and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. As we continue to explore, the moon serves as a natural laboratory, where every discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. The moon's secrets are waiting to be uncovered, and with each mission, we peel back another layer, revealing the intricate tapestry of our solar system's history. The scientific legacy of lunar exploration is a testament to human ingenuity and our unending quest for knowledge. As we look to the future, the moon will remain a focal point for scientific discovery, guiding us as we embark on new journeys into the unknown. Living on the moon presents several challenges. The lack of atmosphere and extreme temperatures require advanced life support systems and habitats. Radiation exposure is a significant concern, necessitating protective measures and shielding. The moon's low gravity affects human physiology, requiring research on long-term health effects. Additionally, the abrasive lunar dust poses risks to equipment and human health. Overcoming these challenges will require innovative technologies and international collaboration. The moon holds potential resources that could support future exploration and economic activities. Helium-3, a rare isotope, could be used for nuclear fusion, providing a clean energy source. The presence of water ice in lunar craters could be used for drinking water, oxygen production, and fuel. The moon's regolith contains valuable metals and minerals that could be mined for use in space and on Earth. Developing technologies for resource extraction and utilization will be crucial for sustainable lunar exploration. Lunar exploration has had a profound cultural impact. The Apollo missions inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. The iconic images of astronauts on the moon symbolize human achievement and the spirit of exploration. The moon has been a subject of fascination in literature, art, and popular culture. As we prepare for future lunar missions, the cultural significance of the moon continues to inspire and captivate people around the world. International collaboration is key to the success of future lunar exploration. Space agencies from around the world are working together on missions and research. The International Space Station, ISS, serves as a model for cooperation in space. Collaborative efforts include sharing data, technology, and expertise. Joint missions, such as the Lunar Gateway, aim to create a sustainable presence on the moon. By working together, countries can achieve more and ensure the peaceful use of space for the benefit of all humanity.